Just boil the pork belly until the meat is tender. So, hey guys, tara luto tayo, pabilisan ng ulam. So, I have here garlic, onion, red bell pepper, potato, carrots, and green onion. And this one is boiled pork and then sliced into small cubes. And we need seasoning. This is salt, ground black pepper, and we need sauce for tomato ketchup. So let's gonna start it. It's very quick and easy. Cooking oil, next onion, so when the onion is light golden brown, garlic, so in 10 minutes we have delicious food. Within 10 minutes may masarap ka na ulam doon. Next, gonna add sliced pork that is boiled already. Add salt, ground black pepper or pamintang durog. Add soy sauce so you have a color. At the same time your taste, better taste. Okay, just mix natin. Quick and easy. Stock, if you don't have stock, just add regular plain water. Cover, wait until boiled. Next steps, gonna add tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, 1/2 cup. Mix. Cover. Next, add brown sugar to balance the acidity of tomato ketchup, tomato sauce. Mix it. That's it. There you go. So, perfect. Ang sarap ng ulam mo. So then, next, add your potato and carrots all together. Right there. Mix or stir it. Jump. Cover for 5 minutes to cook your potato and carrots. 5 minutes.
Garlic ini mah.
Add red bell pepper. Add onion. Alat. Pwede na yan. It's ready to serve. Serve with rice. Perfect for dinner. Thank you for watching. If you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, guys. God bless you all.